Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, I'm going to scroll my LinkedIn profile for 5 minutes and let's see how many jobs we can able to pull. Let's jump into the video. So friends, before we start this video, I would like you to visit my profile once, which is Prakash K. Here is the link. I would be sharing in the description as well. So let's start scrolling my page. So basically, Tech Mahindra is hiring for business analyst with telecom domain experience in Pune, Hyderabad and Bangalore. If you are interested, you can share your CVs with this email address. I am also sharing this, so it will appear on my profile. And this is the SQL interview questions. And Amazon Ads is hiring for business analyst in Bangalore location. If you are interested, you can click on this link and apply. I'm sharing this also. And Accenture is hiring for Pan India jobs. So let me select this. So I'm going to ignore this. It is redirect me to some other website. But I have created a video on this part 2 days earlier. So you can take a look in the description. And Paytm is hiring for multiple roles like growth manager, business analyst, talent acquisition, and let's see. So basically this is a Google form. So I don't know if it is genuine or not, so I'm not sharing it on my profile. And one of my friend is looking for a job as a business analyst role, and Browse Info is hiring for business analyst role. So there are multiple business development profiles also. I have shared in my previous video. So I have commented here. And Microsoft is hiring for business analyst. HSBC is hiring for system admin. Disney is hiring. Google is hiring. Pocket FM is hiring. Multiple roles so far. And Reliance is hiring for store manager in SmartNet. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this email address niraj3.mishra@rl.com. So in my profile, there are both technical and non-technical jobs available. So you can take a look. And Jaipreet Kaur is hiring for Android developer, iOS developer in Pune, Bangalore and Gurgaon location. If you are interested, you can share your CV at jaipreet.kaur@mobile programming. And HCL Tech is hiring for QA immediate engineers in Romania, Poland, Sri Lanka. So I'm ignoring that one. So this is fake one. Extra Marks is hiring for for BD, senior BD and assistant manager. You can click on this form and apply, but I'm not sharing it because I'm not relying on it. So this person is looking for data analyst role. So if you notice HSBC or some other companies hiring for data analyst role in this video I have shared. So I'm just sharing this comment so she can take a look. So one of my friend is looking for internship for a Python profile. So in yesterday I have shared Python fresher jobs, if you remember. So and also this person is looking for Python profile. So I'm gonna share it so it will appear on my profile. And Devi is looking for software engineer roles. I have shared multiple jobs in my videos. So I'm gonna share it. And next, Dipole Tech I is hiring for content writers to join in their team. If you are interested for content writing position, you can share your resume with this person. So I'm going to like it so it will appear. And Koteshwar Rao is hiring for SAP CEO module role. He did not mention email address, so you can reach this person directly. Search for him in the LinkedIn. And Extra Marks is hiring for business development executive. So if you are interested, you can share your resume with preeti.note@extramarks.com. Some person is looking for BDA role. I have shared in this video, so it would be great opportunity for him. And the Beta Bots is hiring for business development officer. It is a work from home role. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this email address. But please do verify. Paytm is willing to impanel local manpower, so this is not something I'm gonna share. And let's see. So Genpact is hiring for a banking domain position in Bangalore and Chennai. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this email address. I have shared. I'm also sharing this job. So that's my 5 minutes, friends. In my upcoming video, I will be sharing more relevant information. Until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.